I mentioned ACT Teachers Party List. I mentioned it because ACT Teachers, Congressman Franz has been convicted already of endangering the lives of young Filipinos when she brought them to an NPA area in the middle of the night. Ito ba yung desisyon na dinala sa NPA area? Ang alam ko, child abuse ang naging kaso nito because may mga bata siyang kasama in the middle of the night. Para na abuso. Yun. According naman kay Congresswoman Franz Castro, sinave nila yung mga bata. Diba? He added that the other youth leaders, he mentioned Sara Elago and incumbent party list Raul Manuel also pictures with suspected who had pictures. Pag may picture ka pala, ako delikado pala magpa-picture mga kaklir. Yusik, Attorney Claire, pa-picture. Anong gagawin mo? Hindi nga mga kaklir. Anong gagawin ko? Ay, sorry, baka NPA ka. Hirap pala yun, no? Anyway, meron pa kasing case to mga kaklir. Ito pa ha, pakita ko. Maliban dyan. Maliban sa pagre-red tag. Okay? Yun. Ito. Nasaan na ba yan? Yan. Tingnan natin. This is March 27, 2025. Okay? Youth groups bat for disqualification of the 30 youth party list. Okay. Sabi dito, okay, ayan. Youth